All you'll need is a Phillips screwdriver and a 10mm socket. Before doing anything, eliminate all power to your oven. Firstly, remove any trays and shelves from your oven. There will be 4 screws holding in your internal backplate. Unscrew all of these and then remove the backplate. Now with your 10mm socket or a wrench, remove the nut holding the fan in place. This screw is a reverse thread, so twist it clockwise to loosen. Then remove the fan. Now we need to gain access to the back of the oven and unscrew the screws shown here. If your oven is in a recess or a cavity, remove the screws found at the front and gently pull your oven out, asking for help if needed. Now remove all 3 screws from your existing oven fan motor and then slide it up and out. Now, with your new oven fan motor insulation plate, line up the holes with the oven fan motor. With your oven fan motor and the new oven fan motor insulation plate, slightly re-screw the top 2 screws, making sure not to screw them in the whole way. Leave the bottom screw for later. Insert the top 2 screws on your oven fan motor into the slots and then gently pull it down to secure the oven fan motor in place. Fasten the 2 screws on the front of the oven fan motor and then re-screw the bottom one back in. Attach your fan and fasten the bolt. Remember that it's a reverse thread, so screw anti-clockwise to tighten. Then test that the fan spins smoothly. Reinsert the internal backplate and re-screw the 4 screws back in. Now we can close the back of the oven and re-screw the top 2 screws back in, and then finally re-screw all of the remaining screws. Insert any trays and shelves back in, and if you had to remove your oven from a recess or a cavity, place it back in and secure it tightly. And that's it, your new oven fan motor insulation plate is all set to go.